If Van Halen doesn't get you pumped, I don't know what else does. Hey, it's the Excel dude coming at you again. Today we're looking at notes and comments. We're going to do it as we always do, fast and sleazy. So we'll jump right in. Going to be a quick one today. So if we look at this spreadsheet, we're either going to send it out or receive it. We have some comments. We can play the email game, which we all love, or we can do it the smart way. Right click here. Let's say this in our numeric list of 25 projects. Project 99, 8, 99, and 10. It probably should be 9. Okay. If we can't change it ourselves, or if we're going to tell someone to change it for us, whatever. Right click, new comment, ignore that fake name, 9, not 99. And there you go. And it goes away, you hover over, and it appears again. The cool thing about comments, though, is they're threaded. So let's say if somebody who's not this fake name comes along and they say, actually, it should be 99. Project 9 was revised that much. No, I don't like that. That many times. There we go. Little ellipses to let them know we're frustrated with it. Okay. Now we get another one here, 31. We'll do a note on this one. It should be 13. Right click, new note. Again, ignore the absolutely made up 100% fake name. There you are. Oh, but it's in the way. So we just go here, right click again, show or hide note. And now it hovers just like that. This is the older feature, the note, and this is the newer one, comments, because it stores a thread right there. So if we want to, for some reason, let's say we're going to print it, we're normally on the Home tab, and we want to see those comments. We just go Page Layout, Page Setup, find this box here, click it, and it'll pop right out. Then we're going to go right in here, and we will take a look, and we go to Sheet, and Comments and Notes. How do we want them? Click it. We can do that to ignore them. We can have them displayed in this sheet, Notes Only, or we can have them at the end of the sheet. So we'll do Print Preview. We scroll on down. What do you know? Right there, at the bottom. So any comments you have, anything that hasn't been addressed, or if you just want to see them, you can look at them right there. So if you also want to delete them is the other thing we'll take a look at. You can highlight all of them, or you can just click one individually. Right click again, and you will go to delete comment. You do that, and the whole thing is going to disappear. And also you can do a lot of these in the review tab up here. So you just click right here. You've got your notes, you've got comments, all that. You can cycle through them with next and previous. You can have them show. It'll pop up right here. And that's about it. So hopefully that was fast and sleazy enough for you. We're at about 3.5 minutes. I'll see you next time.